Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here today to talk to you a bit about turmeric essential oil. So doTERRA has released turmeric essential oil this fall after the convention and as one of their new products, so that is very, very exciting. And it is definitely going to be a very beneficial oil and just something that you can add into your oil practice every single day, because Lord knows there are so many great benefits to using turmeric essential oil. So it has been most commonly used in India for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they would take the root, the turmeric root, and they would steam it. They would use the oil. They put it in a lot of their foods, and it has just been a great addition to a health practice. So it is commonly used, as I say, as excuse me, an Ayurvedic health practice. I'm sure many of you guys have heard that term used before. So let's crack into turmeric essential oil. You can use this baby internally, and you can use it aromatically, and you can use it topically. So we will get into the topical uses here in a minute, but you can use, as we talk about it, using it internally. So you can use it, you can put together your own supplements. You get in like little gel caps and putting the oil in there, and you can use it in cooking. You can put a drop or two underneath your tongue every day. There are lots of different ways that you can do that. So I actually put I had a smoothie this morning and I put a couple drops in there, and so that's how I'm getting my turmeric in me today. So there we go. There are definitely plenty of benefits to using turmeric. So you have nervous system benefits, you have brain health, you've got helping blemishes to diminish, so that is always a plus. It is definitely an immune system booster, which I am very excited about for my multiple sclerosis. It promotes healthy circulation. You have things like metabolic support, and it just goes on and on and on, right? So in terms of diffusing, it is great for promoting positive feelings, and it just creates a great aromatic setting in your home. So you can never go wrong with that. It is great as a cellular, for boosting cellular function. So, there are definitely days and times where we're just feeling sluggish and things are not going the way we want them to, and turmeric can definitely help aid those types of health functions, health feelings that you prefer to have, let's say. So in terms of that, you can diffuse it, put a few drops in there. You can find some great blends like on Pinterest or even on the doTERRA website. You can put a couple drops in your hands, and you just rub your hands together and just inhale, just over your mouth, and just take deep breaths in. Totally yummy. It is also great for things like achy muscles, achy joints. When you have a lot of inflammation, this is a great oil to help to diminish, to release, to rid of a lot of those things that are going on. For me personally, with multiple sclerosis, I deal with a lot of these kinds of functions and situations on a daily basis, and turmeric is a great way to help aid my body, to help it heal up a bit, to just make the day go a bit easier. And so if you have sore knees or sore achy back, anything like that, you can just apply it directly to the area of need, and you are good to go. Thanks guys for stopping by. I'm so glad you came to learn more about turmeric and how it can benefit your body and how it can aid your overall health system. So you can check out more of my essential oil videos on my channel, and I hope to see you around again soon. Thanks so much guys. Bye.